Alright, great people. Let's continue with our exponential series. This is actually one of the daily challenges that we posted. So let's give a solution to it. Here it says that we should solve for x if root of 64 exponent x is equals to 16 exponent root of x. When you have surds or roots on any number and you want to solve that problem, the best option is to square both sides and eliminate those roots. It helps you to simplify the expression. So first things first, we square both sides. Now, if we square both sides, this cancels out the root. We have 64 exponent x equals to, this will be 16. Remember, this is the exponent of 16. So we have 16 2 root x. 16 2 root x. Normal approach for exponents is to always reduce them to the same base. So we think of what can we reduce 64 to? 2 times 2 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32 times 2, 64. So this is 2 to the power of 6, all to the power of x, and 16 is 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2 to the power of 4 into 2 root x. When we have reduced them to the same base, we can drop the bases and take the exponents. So we have 6 exponent x here is equal to 4 times 2 is 8 root x. We still have a problem here. We still have a root sign here. And we need to eliminate that in order to simplify this. So we also do the same thing again, square both sides again. Squaring both sides, this will give us 36x squared equals to x squared is 64. Root x all squared will now give us x. So we have simplified this to a stage. Now, the next thing is to write in standard form. Please do not cancel out all here. Because x has a square, it means we need to return 2 values of x. So write in standard form. Standard form means equate it to 0. Minus 64x equals to 0. And then look out for common factor. Look out for common factor. Common factor is to look out for a number that can divide either side. Either side, and we can simplify. Alternatively, okay, this dot will not work here, so let's look out for the common factor. Here, 8 cannot divide here. Let's start with 2. Or let's go with 12. It cannot go. Let's start with 2. If 2 goes into 36, we have 18. And x is also on either side. So we have 18x here. 2 into this will give us 32. So 2 is not a common factor. Let's go to 4. Remember, when we talk about common factor, yes, 2 we can go the next step, but we have to use the highest common factor so that we simplify at once. 4 into 36 will give us 9. X is a common factor, so we have 4 and x. 4 into 36 will give us 9, and we have x left. 4 into 64, we have 60. X will cancel out x, so we have 0. Now what do? Equate individual brackets to 0. So we have 4x equals to 0, 9x minus 16 equals to 0, and then sum for x. If we divide either side by the coefficient of x here, x will be equals to 0, that's the first value. Here we collect like terms, 0 plus 16 is 16, x will also be equals to 16 over 9. So these are the 2 values of x. It may look simple, but if you don't follow the right method and the right process, you will not get these values. So for these 2 values of x, this expression will be valid. So if you have any question, please ask, or if you don't understand any section or you need clarity, please don't relent to ask. God bless you.